Hi everyone, welcome to ECLearn 360. Today we are going to discuss VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function is very commonly using Excel function in schools, logistics and finance field to pull out specific data from large data file. Here I took a very simple table. Here is the students mark list of mathematics mark list. Here is the student name is there, maths mark is there, and grade is there. So I need to pull out a specific student mark from this table. So VLOOKUP function is a vertical lookup value. So here is student name is blank and mark list. We are going to put the function VLOOKUP and so here is the table value. Table value means what is the value we are going to find out. So that cell name is here, the student name cell name, because from this table whoever we are putting the student's name, we need to get the exact mark. So the next one, table array. So this is the our total table. From this table we are going to find out. The third one, column index number. VLOOKUP function, we are going to find out the value by column basis. So this function is used by column basis data pullout. So we need to know for this column index number, column it's considered as column number 1, student's name is column number 1 and maths is column number 2 and grade is column number 3. So we need to have the mark that it's visible in column number 2. So that will be there in the column number 2, and the next last one, the field is we need to have the exact match or approximate match. So here is we need to have the exact match. For all the exact matches we are going to put 0 and the approximate matches we are going to put 1. So here is we need to have the exact match. So this the field is we are putting 0. Then we have to close the bracket. So now you can get the error message because we are not put any student name here. So I am putting one student name. You can get the mark 62. So the same we can test another name. We can get the according to the mark. So this is the function we can utilize in a very large file to pull out a specific data from the total list. And also this function we used here, we took you can see the last field is 0. It means the exact matches only we took. You can see now I am changing, instead of the name Joby, so I put Joe. This function will not work out because we took the function as exact matching. So when we put the exact name, then it will be displayed. The same way, now the exact and approximate match we are going to discuss. So this is the function initiation. The second one we are going to discuss the approximate match function. Same VLOOKUP, there is two things there. One is exact match and second is approximate match. Then the second example you can easily understand what is the approximate match. Here is there is also a small table. There is a minimum mark and grade also. You can see 0 it's F grade and 35 is a D grade and 50 is C grade. It means 0 to 34 will be F grade and 35 to D, 35 to 49 is a D grade and 50 like that. This is a grade system. Now here also I am putting this grade. So according to the mark we need to get the grade. So here is can start the equal sign, we look up. So mark is our index value, we look up value, and the table here is also only 2 column, second column value we need to find out. The second, the last only the change from the first one. We are going to find out the approximate match. The approximate match is the number is 1. So we can close the bracket. So here is without any number we can see the F, because of the 0 it's coming to the F. Now if we are putting 55, you can see C. So it means the approximate, you can see the 50, I put the only 55, but the grade system is work out. For the first case, instead of Joby, I put Joe, it will not work out, because the thing is that the student's name exactly matching only system will work out. So that will be the, you can see the 0. The next one, then approximate match. So if you put 1, it will be work out. Even the mark will be changed, the automatically will work out. So I put 95, you can see the A. Even you can see I put 90, it will also A, and I put 50, it will go to the C. Even that one 55 also will work out. So these 2 examples we can see what is the approximate match and what is the exact match. This is a very simple data. Next level, the same function we are going to some more large data. So here is, you can see there is an inventory list of one item stock. So that from this one I need to pull out one of the stock quantity of particular item. So here is equal to VLOOKUP so this is the item name, we are going to type it later. So here is the item name cell, then comma. So this is the data. You can see this item code is not from the item name, we record the quantity, so we can start from the item name only. So this is the, I'm selecting the total value, total sales. So here is, you can see the almost 500 lines are there. So the previous one we took only 4-5 lines only, so that's very easy. But now the large data, according to the, that is the reason we are using this function. Mostly the large data file we can pull out this, simply we can pull out the specific data from this data sheet, then comma. Now here is also column is there, this function is working according to the column. So here is column number 1 and column number 2 and column 3. So we have to find out the column number 3 value, so it will be 3. And here also we are going to match exactly, I need the value of exact description should be matched, so it will be 0. Then we can close the bracket. There is no error message because there is nothing is there. I just want one of them, I'll just copying and putting with the item name. You can see the this is the value, automatically will come. One more example, we can take something from here, from the down. I just copying and I'm putting here. You can see the quantity change according to the quantity. This is the okay. So this is the one example. Another one, if you have we are now the initially we take only the one item name. Accordingly to if it is coming in and second item name also, we can take it the value there. Now I took the item code number. So according to the item code, we need to have the quantity that also going to be worked out. So from this is the previous one, only particular one we are taking. Now we can take a serial number or serial or in between, whatever it is. So you will get more clarity for this one. So here is item code and quantity. So here is equal sign. So function VLOOKUP, and this is the our looking value and comma. So table will be, so table, the total table, then comma. So now we have to put the column index number, because according to the item code we are going to find out. So column number 1 item code, and item name is column number 2, category column number 3, and quantity in stock column number 4. And here also we are going to match, exact match, so it will be 0. We can close the bracket. So error will come because there is nothing is there. I just I can type here inventory 014. So you can see 53, and another inventory 016. Here is because this you can use the same formula, just drag it down. So whenever the item name is code is coming, automatically this quantity will display it. So now 020. You can see this is 355. Now again inventory 018 will come. Again we can say take it inventory 031, so 57. So this is how this function is working. When symbol one is single one we took, according from the all the data from very large data file, we need to take it from 10 students mark list or 10 item details from that large data. You can pull out very easily. Another one example I am giving that because here is all we are taking the all thing is in a numerical value only. This one more example, you can take the even number or the text also we can take it. So that's the reason I'm taking just a category. You can, here is an item name is there and category also there. So I'm just for example of we can pull out the text data also from this list. We look up, and item name will be our lookup value, and this is our so from the item name, because item code is not required, we can start from there. The lookup value will start from the item name, so we can select the all data, then comma. Now we have to find out this column, what is the column we have to find out. This is column, item name is the column number 1 and category is column number 2. So you are going to find the column number 2, and here is also we require the exact match, so it will be 0 and close the bracket. So same, it says error will come because there is a blank. So I am just taking this one and copying and pasting here. You can see essential, this is automatically coming fitness. Well, one more example we can take it. You can put it here. It will coming. So the basically this function is work out from both text and numbers. So I hope this is very simple way you can understand this function with both way. One is match and another one is approximate match. From this simple data, we started from the simple data, and another also we can find out from the large data also. You can clarify. Anything is there, you can contact. Thank you.